Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring breathing and gas exchange, so let's dive right in. Breathing is a vital process that allows us to take in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from our bodies. It's an automatic process that we often take for granted. But have you ever wondered how it all works? Let's find out. The respiratory system is responsible for our breathing. It consists of several key organs, including the nose, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Let's take a closer look at each of them. The process begins as we inhale air through our nose and mouth. The air then travels down the trachea, a tube-like structure that connects our nose and mouth to the lungs. The trachea branches into two smaller tubes called bronchi, which further divide into even smaller tubes called bronchioles. Now that we have reached the lungs, let's explore how gas exchange occurs. The lungs are made of millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are surrounded by capillaries, which are small blood vessels. Oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses across the thin walls of the alveoli into the capillaries. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, moves from the capillaries into the alveoli. But how does oxygen reach all our body cells? This is where hemoglobin comes into play. Hemoglobin is a protein found in red blood cells that binds to oxygen and carries it to the body's tissues. When oxygen-rich blood reaches body tissues, hemoglobin releases oxygen, allowing it to be used for various cellular processes. Meanwhile, carbon dioxide produced by these cells enters the bloodstream and is transported back to the lungs for elimination. Another crucial player in the breathing process is the diaphragm. It's a dome-shaped muscle located beneath the lungs. When we inhale, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, increasing the space in the chest cavity. This expansion lowers the pressure inside the lungs, causing air to rush in. When we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes, pushing air out of the lungs. Our breathing is regulated by the respiratory center in the brainstem. It monitors the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our blood to ensure that our bodies receive an adequate supply of oxygen and remove excess carbon dioxide. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.